Welcome to BuildFuture.ai, where we revolutionize the legal industry with cutting-edge AI technology. Today, we're excited to introduce our AI-powered legal assistant, Advo AI, your ultimate partner in legal research, drafting, summarization, and document analysis. First up, Advo AI comes with advanced interactive AI search. Our AI legal assistant offers conversational search, just like chatting with a trusted colleague. Need information? Just ask and get intelligent, refined answers instantly. Next, let's talk about drafting. This super cool AI assistant can take you from a blank page to a well-crafted document in moments. Whether it's arguments, contract clauses, or client communications, everything is grounded in authoritative content, delivered with remarkable speed and precision. And in case you need a quick summary of complex legal documents, our AI provides accurate and complete summarization in seconds. So, no more endless clicking through search results. Get what you need instantly. And lastly, our AI legal assistant makes document analysis a whole lot easier. Just upload your documents, and our AI will extract and summarize key insights in moments. It's like having a legal expert at your fingertips. But there's more. With DMS connectivity, our AI taps into your firm's collective knowledge, making it even more powerful and efficient. Altogether, it's designed to boost productivity and streamline your legal workflows. Ready to experience the future of legal work? Advo AI is here to help you save time, reduce errors, and enhance your practice. If you too are looking to build your own custom AI assistant or need world-class AI development services, contact BuildFuture.ai today.